Ay, sino ka dyan?
May
Sige,
everything.
ganun simula natin. 1, 2, 3, go. Tun, tun, tun. Grabe, nasa time na tayo na AG8.
Grabe. AG as in AG Cook?
No, AG as in AG.
As
Alex
in
Gonzaga.
AG from the East?
Yes, AG from the East. Oh my gosh, it's Ariana's
Grabe.
AG8. Grabe,
Alam mo,
sobrang sipag ni ate mo.
totoo. Ito yung first era ko.
Ba't ilang taong ka lang ba?
12?
12.
Hindi,
Wow.
ano yung first era mo ba na naabutan? Yung talagang naging fanega.
Victorious.
Ako din.
Oh, talaga? Ako pala ako nung Put Your Hearts Up pa
Fan
lang
ako ng Victorious pero hindi ako fan ng music.
Ako fan ako kasi nanggaling ako sa Disney Channel na adik ako kay Demi Lovato. Tapos nung natapos na yung Sunny with a Chance, naghanap ako ng ibang papanoorin. Sakto nung natapos yung Sunny with a Chance, doon ko na-discover yung Victorious.
Hindi musical yun, di ba?
Hindi siya musical. It's a comedy sketch series. So yun. So mahaba-haba na rin ang pinagdaanan namin
Oo
ni
nga.
Ariana Granada.
Oo, ako din kasi first memory ko sa kanya nung nasa iPad pa yung yung Yours Truly na album.
Anong favorite mo dun sa Yours Truly na album?
Of course, it's with my chin in the palm of my hand.
Ako ang favorite ko doon Ano ba favorite ko doon? Marami lahat,
Hirap, no?
halos. Pero mas bet it's all up and take it through the night.
Ay, ang ganda niya.
Should follow through and make it alright.
My hands get up. I wanna see you right to the piano. Ano title niya?
Piano? Nakabanggit lang. So, tingnan natin if this recent album ni Ariana meron tayong maging favorite. We've already heard one track. It's track number 2, Hate That I Made You Love
It's the
Me.
only track
We've
released,
heard.
no? Released din before
Yeah.
the album.
Nabetan mo ba?
Meron talagang may parang
magic.
drugs talaga yung album. Yung songs niya nasa saunan di mo magugustuhan pero maa-addict ka ng maa-addict.
Let's see if that still
Holds up.
yeah.
Malay mo sa first listen, di na naman natin bet.
Mabetan,
Tapos
no?
after
Parang Eternal
a year,
Sunshine.
this is the best album of 2026. Ganun na naman.
Agree
Di
about
ba?
yan.
Eternal Sunshine.
Eternal Sunshine, di ko rin bet eh. Pero, let's see.
Sige nga.
So, if hindi mo pa napapanood, nag-react din kami sa Eternal Sunshine, Brighter Days Ahead. Click here. Ting! So, ayun, panoorin mo din yun. And, ayun lang. Yun pa lang yung Ariana Grande content namin. Okay, let's listen to dito pala kami ngayon sa Starbucks.
Sa bagong studio namin.
Sa Walayala.
Ito yung mga
Yeah, guys,
yung
like the
mga
setup.
employees
Mga fans.
namin.
Mga fans yan, nahiya lang sila magpakita sa video.
Oo.
So, ayan.
Excited na ako sa Kiss Me by Sixpence None the Richer.
No,
It's a cover.
Kiss Me by Lisa. My gosh, we're gonna listen to Kiss Me by Lalisa.
Lalisa. Wait, na-excite ako. Parang intro, no? End of the world.
Parang cinematic na mga intro niya.
Beto. Ay,
Diba? Electronica Arianica.
oh my God.
Grabe. Parang 2001 Space Odyssey. Hindi na panood. Interstellar.
Oo nga,
Diba?
parang soundtrack.
Ay, di kasi
Ala.
naano na siya ng beam.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Ang
Ganda. Oh my God. Bet ko agad.
Ganda ng harmonies siya talaga.
Ang sad.
After niya mang home wreck, kiss me like...
Ay. Is it a breakup album?
I think they tried to make it work, no? Sila ni Ethan.
Ay.
Sad.
Hala, breakup album siya.
Yeah, it is.
Uy, ang ganda. Ang catchy agad. Is this Max Martin? We'll find out.
Let's see.
Ay, Ilya.
Ang daling sundan, no? Ganun niya.
Magaling siya mag-melody, no?
Parang something na narinig mo na.
Wala.
Kiss me like you know this.
Ang sad ng lyrics, pero ang ano ng production.
Agree. Ang cute ng mga scent.
It reminds me of Eternal Sunshine. Ganda. Sa kabet ko yung may outro na matagal. Parang magta-transition.
Baka it's a sign na magta-transition siya.
Ay, hindi. Nag-fade out.
Okay, next track, it's Hate That I Made You Love Me. Kanta niya sa mga haters.
Ito na, pakinggan na natin, no?
I can't tell you why. Ang ganda niya. Bet ko siya. Nakaka-addict siya. Hindi siya like nakaka-underwhelm siya simula pero nakaka-addict siya.
Oo, meron siyang addictive quality.
Ayan, yung part na yan.
Nung una na-underwhelm ako eh. Pero nung lagi na nating napapakinggan,
You just gotta give it a chance.
ay, cute my
ang
heart.
Sorry if I made you sad. Yeah, I hate that I made you.
Galing niya pumili ng hit, no? Like ng lead single.
Yeah, I agree nga din.
Parang sure siya na
Number 1.
oo, saka parang kahit hindi siya mag-hit on first listen, ang stable niya eh sa Spotify. Parang top 2 pa rin ata siya, top 3. Or naka-help yung tour.
Baka.
Ganda rin ng tour performance niya eh, nakikita ko sa TikTok. Also, habang pinapakinggan natin ulit, parang ano pa rin siya, The Weeknd track, no?
Made you love me. And sobrang lakas ni The Weeknd sa streaming service ngayon.
Oo, number 3 siya. Ang nangunguna Justin Bieber eh, tapos Bruno Mars.
Puro lalaki.
Ay. Pero sana may birit-birit part, no? Or nasanay kasi tayo
Maiba naman.
sa bagay.
Kasi parang naisip niya, one day mawawalan din ako ng boses.
Para makanta niya, no? Para si Mariah.
Oo. Parang ngayon nagsisisi na si Mariah for siya lip sync. Hey there.
Pero may birit sa backing vocals eh.
Cause I barely tried. Yeah, I that I made you love me. Sorry if I made me time. Yeah, I hate that I made you love me. Cause I barely tried. Yeah, I. And now let's move on to the title track, Petal.
Dito ako pinaka-curious, ano kaya yung tunog?
Okay.
Ang funny ng AI edits.
No mga leaks daw, no?
Oo.
Let's see if the leak is real.
Let's say if it's really...
Ay. Parang Dandelion.
Dangerous Woman. Oo nga, parang Dandelion. Wow. Sabi. Sabi. Oh, totoo.
Parang ang Dangerous Woman.
Sexy, no? R&B.
Heartbreak won't bite. Oh. Parang siyang true story. Yung lyrics.
Oo nga.
Baka kaya siya nakipag-tour. Parang si Taylor Swift.
Oo.
Nakapag-eras tour siya kahit na ano siya nun, heartbroken daw
Oo
siya
nga,
nun.
no?
Ewan ko kung sila nun ni Matty Healy. Sweeties.
Bet ko rin attitude niya dito, no? Parang alam niya yung worth niya.
Tsaka parang sinusundan niya yung Hate That I Made You Love Me na parang
Oo.
badass. Parang you can't get to me haters.
Yeah.
I'm a bad person. I'm a bad person. I don't care about you. Hindi na siya pa good girl.
Sabi.
Ulala sa giling ko. Ang ganda ng bass.
Kakaiba. Rinig naman tayo, no?
Oo. Dahil nahiwala yan.
Ah.
Okay. Ang ganda nung ano. Tsaka para siyang
Ng beat.
para siyang drum talaga na ano. Parang band recorded.
Pero parang ito yung least fave ko so far. 3 pa lang naman.
Pero hindi mo siya bet for title track.
Hindi, kasi hindi nagbabago yung beat eh. Wala ring bridge. Pero parang LSS.
Pero parang ano nga siya, Dandelion.
Max Martin, no? Pero hindi ko in-expect na parang ano siya, grunge trap. Akala ko magiging ballad siya dahil sa title.
So complex. Short thoughts.
Pero ang ganda ng lyrics. So
Ako
far,
din.
mas bet ko yung mga lyrics kesa sa
Oo.
Eternal Sunshine nung first listen. Parang mas na-feel ko yung ano niya.
Siguro
pag
kasi
open up.
nakapag-adjust na tayo from Eternal Sunshine and Brighter Days sa hit eh.
Ah.
No, parang feeling natin na Ariana is not the pop artist that we've known.
Oo nga, no?
Kasi parang pop artist pa siya sa positions eh.
Gets.
With songs like 34, 35, ganyan. So, dito talaga, she's writing. She's
Oo
writing.
nga eh. Mas bet ko writing niya dito.
Mas bet yung writing niya dito.
It's mas mabilis siya ma-gets.
Tsaka yung melodies niya talaga maganda.
Oo, magaling. Yung harmonies niya.
Alright, let's
Okay,
move to the next track.
Bongga yung title track. Next track, Stay by Rihanna.
No, Stay by...
Wicked. It's giving Wicked vibes, ha?
R&B.
Kakaiba yung mga production choices. Ang experimental.
Teka.
Ay, parang katunog ng petal.
Diba, ang lakas ng drum. Parang band song. Let's go.
Ganda ng boses niya. At least cohesive, no, so far. Yung 4 na tracks.
Agree. Parang I really feel na matured na nga siya. Parang,
Actually, mas mature na version ng Eternal Sunshine, no?
tsaka siya as an artist.
Ganda nitong part na to.
Ayan lang, may taas-taas. Save this time. Ganda ng boss ni Ariana.
Okay lang. It's not
Okay.
mind-blowing.
Let's now move to the next track. Ako din, agree. There's nothing much more to say. It's oh well.
Oh well.
Oh well.
In fairness nag-experiment talaga sa production. Ay, Pink Pantress? No?
Oo.
It's hyper pop
No, parang mas 2000s beat.
actually. Pero
Cute.
Pink Pantress na iisip ko sa
Pag
ganitong
ganyan.
beat. Oo.
Oo nga.
Ice Spice.
White okay.
Ang bilis kasi nung beat.
Sabi ng songwriter.
Billie Eilish.
Oo nga, no? Iniba niya.
Grabe naman yung pahel na.
Ang cute! Ba't ko?
Oh, wow.
The beat, the syncopation.
Syncopation.
Aww.
Ay, ganda ng lyrics. Ang self-aware ng songs, bit ko. She's becoming more polished as a songwriter. Can't stop growing.
Ah.
Do.
Cute.
Ang ganda ng vocals. Ng backing vocals.
Ganda nga eh.
Oh, ang ganda ng last line.
Okay. Oh, outro. Let's go.
Bet ko tong OL.
Ganda nga itong OL. It's a standout track. Look yung may beat. Oh, got on your way to hell. Oh, well.
Dapat may dance break din siya sa
Oo.
tour.
Gundo.
Ayun yung pinakapet kong lyrics so far.
So far.
Ah.
Ako, I just realized something na parang siguro we're in the stage na rin na like matanda na tayo, like rentahin na tayo. Kasi diba kuwari ikaw kapag rentahin ka na, yung mga matatamis na bagay, hindi mo na masyadong bet mo na yung hindi sobrang tamis, diba? So parang feeling ko, I'm liking this one kasi parang hindi na ako naghahanap ng bombastic pop hits
Ariana.
kay Ariana. Parang hinahanap ko na siya kala Sabrina, ganyan, kala Chapel.
ano.
So parang kay Ariana, parang okay ako. Parang I agree with this kind of sound, though parang laid back nga siya. It's the type of music I would expect from her.
At this point in her career, no?
And I like it because parang gusto ko na yung tone down. Parang gusto ko naman ng tone down. Hindi na laging pop hits. Because
Sa bagay,
before, di ba, she used to release parang songs with multiple genres.
radio hits.
Oh.
Oo nga, no? Kasi she has those hits na, no? So,
Oo.
parang pinalawak niya lang discography niya with this album na mas siya. I think this is much more honest sa kanya as an artist. So, I
Oo.
appreciate it.
It's big feeling.
Hala, I got some big feelings.
Mali. It's big.
Ay. Ang experimental talaga.
Nung mga intro niya, no? Parang
Oo.
alam niya na, ay, nasa streaming era na ako. Nasa streaming era na ako, kailangan within,
Mahok agad.
few
No?
seconds.
Interesting lahat ng intro. Ay,
It's giving Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars.
oh my
So that
gosh,
type of
ang ganda
music.
nito.
Okay. Bigla, dinikit niya sa mabilis na kanta.
Sabi! Ah, oh. She's mature na talaga. So good. Ariana!
Sabi niya nga, sige nga, I'm still Sabrina's gig.
This is her sex song. Parang ito yung niya, fantasize
Oh.
of this album with the lyrics. It's so SPG.
Sabi ng mga interlude niya, interlude.
I know it can be so hard sometimes for me to stop it. Once you express yourself, I can become so aquatic.
Aquatic! A synonym for wet.
What? Healing property.
You promise me that you'll handle me properly. I'll give you big feelings.
Okay.
Feelings.
Okay lang siya ulit. We're hearing Horniana. Horniana Grande.
Kasama niya magsulat si Ilya Salmanzadeh. Like,
Like what?
Hindi
Complete good
specified.
sentence, Ariana.
yes. And now it's freak. Oh.
Ay, freak agad. Papaalam niya kung ano yung worst thing na she will do.
Ba kaya petal about sa flower niya?
Oo nga, no? Sa petal niya.
Baby, will you come with me nowhere before they shoot
Saka parang process yung boses niya, no?
when I fly
Like, parang may effects.
Mm.
over, hold me low.
Oo.
Someday all the seas will open, all the life has been denied us. We'll bloom all around and frozen. How will it feel? How will it
Ay.
feel? I won't give you your fantasy this time.
Ay.
Give you
may tinatawag
Ibang
siyang
freak.
freak.
Wake me when all this shit is over. I know too much for now.
Okay. A first skip.
Baka ito yung mga instance na after a few listens,
Magiging
it's
bet
get
mo, no?
better.
All of the human life I've dreamt of will be really fast. How will it feel? How will it feel? I won't walk it
Ay, ang part na yan, bet ko.
this time.
In that one, I won't do.
Parang, yun nga yung ano, parang lagi siyang beat. Won't do. Ba ganun siya lagi mag-melody.
Won't shake, can't break. Oo nga, no? Parang reuse na.
Parang ano, parang Hate That and Made You Love Me. Sabi niya, mashup ko nga yung sarili kong kanta.
Oo nga.
What is she talking about? Hindi niya bibigay yung sex sa lalaki? Ang ganda ng mga backing vocals.
Ano, no?
Ang ganda ng backing vocals.
Parang nasisave nga ng backing vocals niya eh.
It's a work of art.
May whistle note.
Next track is... Ay, hindi pa tapos.
Tornado warnings. Char.
Warning signs.
Ay,
May interlude pa din.
Transition siya.
May interlude pa rin siya.
Parang kaduktong ng kanta, no? Oh. Sino may tattoo?
Yun alam, no?
One day I got you all over me. Feeling me like ecstasy. You made me see colors I haven't seen. Ooh, provided it suddenly goes to me.
Bet yan.
Ang sci-fi.
See her voice plays in a taxi. Passing by. You don't deserve me.
Parang The Weeknd vibes na talaga to.
Oh, yeah.
Parang Starboy. Oh,
Tapos may effects lahat ng boses niya. We're hearing you, Ariana. Experimental. Narinig niya yung trend.
beto, beto. Oh my
So
gosh,
like I
we're
do.
midway.
Making friends with my consequence. Way up high like my consciousness. Keep my heels tall, my ego small,
Sam.
but I'm still grandy.
Sabi ng lyrics na grande,
Nag-cringe kaya siya noon.
hindi, baka sabi niya, I hate that lyric. Sabi niya, slay ako dito. Hate
Yung
to
hit na
love
love na
me.
naman.
Ang corny ng lyrics. Buy one, take me. It's giving Divisoria. It's giving Hong Kong. Hindi ko bet yung ganun, yung mga parang rhyme, kids rhyme, tapos kids rhyme. Oh.
Sa ideas. Mga tektik daw na tinuro ni Ariana. Bet ko yan. Giving
About kanino
dangerous
kaya
woman.
to? Core na nito extra.
Okay,
Sabi ni
it's love
Ariana.
though. Ako, bet ko siya. Bet ko siya kasi relate ako. Sabi.
Eto siya, guys.
Okay, outro. Okay, give us something. It's giving dangerous woman. Mga bad decisions.
I'm surprised sobrang horny nung lyrics so far.
Sabi niya kasi 10 years na ng dangerous woman. So, horniest woman naman.
No? Parang Positions part 2 pala to. Positions na Eternal Sunshine.
Positions na hindi kasal.
Na
Whole face. Hindi kasal.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Single. Okay, never get over me.
Getting
It's
over you.
struck
Top
10.
10 na. Ay, 90s.
I love it. Okay, this is the next single.
R&B.
Yeah. Parang anytime papasok si Missy Elliott.
Oo nga. I like how she takes her time sa intro pati outro.
Ganda ng mga backing vocals. Si Akla nakailang real love na.
Parang sinasabi niya talaga sa ex niya, no? Hindi siya makakalimutan.
Oo.
Like, paulit-ulit yung message.
Sobrang proud niya sa sarili niya.
Oo, sa love na nabigay niya. Sabi niya, good luck finding someone better.
Yeah. She knows her worth. Parang na ako sa mga themes. Pero kanina pa sila naglalabing-labing.
Parang naboboard na rin ako.
I'm lacking, alam mo yung vulnerable.
Yung mga first songs, medyo vulnerable. Tapos ngayon parang parang nasa point na siya na I don't miss you anymore. Pero you'll miss me. Bridge part. Parang Dandelion.
Oo nga.
Lahat na lang.
Parang dandelion yan. Tama. Spot on yung dandelion. Okay. Yung dandelion, hindi ko rin nabetan ng una. So, maybe mabebetan ko to. At kasi ang ganda rin nung,
Nung?
nod sa 90s.
Oo. Feeling ko this song is for the baddies. For the baddies. Nakaka-break lang sa ex nila.
Yeah.
Parang same vibes siya sa Brighter Days Ahead.
Mm.
Parang ewan ko, parang kaduktong siya ng Eternal Sunshine. Parang part 2 siya, for me.
Oo.
Pero mas horny yung lyrics.
Agree. Parang feeling ko nga din dito, parang she lacks something substantial to say. Parang last na yung, parang in the first few tracks lang siya talaga may substance.
Oo nga, na-feel ko rin. Kasi parang julit-julit na yung message na parang,
Oo.
you'll never get over me, I'm so good at sex,
Oo, ang sarap-sarap
Hindi
ko.
mo ako makakalimutan.
Makakalimutan.
I'm so over you, no? Parang paulit-ulit na nga. Pero yung mga first few tracks nga medyo ano pa siya doon,
Maganda.
vulnerable. So let's see, malay mo may mag-pivot into something more meaningful.
Maybe
with,
ito na yun. Bad Thing, Bunny Hop. May
Sabi
Bunny
ng
Hop
Bunny
version.
Hop?
eh.
Wait, di ko to in-expect.
Ayun na nga, nag-pivot na nga.
Di ko in-expect.
As a pop rock girly, go.
Parang blinding lights na yung atake
Ay, oo
dito.
nga. Andito daw si Olivier. Hanapin mo, si Olivier Rodrigo.
Ano no?
Andito si Olivier Rodrigo.
Sa Bad Thing.
Mm.
Parang Olivia, no?
Pero parang ang Blinding Lights. Inspired siya kay The Weeknd.
Alam mo, feeling ko na-inspired talaga siya kay si Max Martin, producer din ni The Weeknd, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay,
Sa
hindi ko
Blinding
sure,
Lights.
Hindi ko sure.
Check
Let's
natin.
fact check. Kasi if
Oh.
ever, parang lahat ng production ideas galing kay Max Martin. Tapos binigay niya na lang kay Ariana.
Oh. Oo nga. Is it it's written by
Ay,
Max
nga.
Martin.
Siya ba tong Carl Martin?
Hindi, eto, Max Martin. Oh, siya pala si Carl Martin Sandberg.
Oh,
Wow.
yan nga. Max Martin nga yung Blinding Lights. Parang feeling ko sabi ni Ariana, are there any The Weeknd demos?
Weekend demos.
Weeknd demos that you still have? Let's rework it for my album. Sabi
Oo
niya.
nga.
Kasi parang Blinding Lights to. Parang Don FM, if napakinggan mo na yung mga tracks sa Don FM. Totoo.
Ito ng boses.
Saan yung Bunny Hop? Bet ko siya pero parang it's outdated.
Mm.
Parang it's outdated. Parang she should have done this noong mga 2020s pa. Nung uso pa yung synth pop.
Yung ganyan, no? Doon nila ginawa.
Yeah. I'm curious sa Bunny Hop.
Baka parang yung act ng pag-hop ng Bunny, parang she hops from relationships to relationships. Parang hindi niya na pinag-iisipan. Parang gumanon siya. Okay, let's do a bad thing.
Oo
Let's
nga.
do a bad idea, bad decisions. Ariana, puro na lang bad.
Oo nga, no? Or baka may interpolation na hindi natin alam. Pag maraming
Oo nga.
songwriter, baka.
Sige, let's see. Pero nga no, boy, make me make bad decisions. Boy, I got a bad idea.
Puro bad nga siya.
Ariana,
Bad idea, right? Ariana pala.
All this time I've been wasting. You've really been such a good boy through all of this noise. Frequency changing.
Sabi,
Can you feel it in my body now? Can you hear it in me sound?
Ay, parang
Hate
ang,
that I made you love me
ang
na.
common nung ano, yung ganong tunog. Wala nga.
Parang utot na na synth.
Ano, parang teardrop, parang droplet sa city. Gana.
Ganon. O parang ang teardrop.
Oo, parang
Pero
drop.
parang siya.
Oo.
Parang ang out of place sa album.
Second to the last track yun.
We,
Oo.
it's the
Ay, hindi
penultimate.
siya. Wala si Max Martin.
Ilya lang siya.
And wala si Ilya sa ano. Siguro sabi niya wala si Max Martin dito. Let's make fun of him.
Why Bunny Hop? I have to look that up. Grabe, last
Search
track na
natin.
tayo. African-American male who dates.
Oh, ganun nga.
about-
Tama nga
oo.
ako. Palipat-lipat nga siya.
Oo nga, you're right.
Or simply means inserting a beep or any other object to a beep. Then into her beep in rapid succession.
Ariana, you're freaky pala ha. Kaya pala,
Kaya may kata rin siya
proud na
freak.
proud ka ha.
Oh, sige, let's now listen to the last track. Grabe, last track na to.
Ay, parang ballad niya.
Oh, she likes to end with a ballad. So,
Lagi, no?
thinking about you. I'm just thinking about you. Cause you are.
Last track ba yun?
You are my everything. You.
Ay, hindi. Yung kay Nona.
Alan, hindi. Ordinary thing. Ano pa yun? Hindi lang. Succession. Tapos, sa ano, hindi. Sa sweetener medyo. Get well soon. You can feel it, feel it.
Ay, oh.
Tapos, sa thank you next, hindi. Sa positions,
Ano
POV.
yung last track na Thank You Next?
Thank you next is, break up with your girlfriend. Yeah, cause I'm bored. Sa last track ng positions ay POV. Couldn't believe it. Oh, say it to myself. I've been patient. Falling. Oh, tapos ordinary things yung sunod. Ordinary things, but you.
May gano'n.
Ano gano'n? Yun eh. So, okay. Tapos yung deluxe niya is Hampstead. So, yun lang. Wala lang. Ni-rundown lang.
Last track, Nowhere Nobody But Me. Bet ko agad yung production. It's giving nostalgic.
Hard to believe in a perfect ending.
Parang kakatay ni Siza.
But
No, ba?
that's alright. Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah.
This prophecy might be self-fulfilling.
Self-fulfilling.
But that's alright.
Parang ang cinematic, parang ending ng coming of age movie.
I don't care
Bright side.
about tomorrow. I live
Aww.
right now. So deep breath,
Wala yung music.
Imogen Heap, no?
Ay, oo nga.
and there's nowhere with nobody else that I'd rather be. I'm taking you deep.
Sabi niya, let me use my gadget.
We've at least
My vocoder.
Balik natin yung Mimo gloves ko.
Sabi niya, let's use what I learned.
money. Then there's nowhere, nobody else that I'd rather
Aww.
be.
Bet ko to.
Voices in my head been trying to swallow me. But
Oh.
I don't buy it. Yeah, I'm alright. I've been holding hands with so much complexity since I was 5. But we've done alright. Tell me why I keep on climbing just to reach the ground. Just deep breaths, honey. There's no one right, and there's nowhere with nobody else that I'd rather be. I'm taking you deep breaths, honey.
Alam mo, ito yung pinaka, niya, dynamic
Songs.
na production.
Ah.
Kasi iba yung verse, iba yung chorus.
Cute na to. Ay,
Nobody else that I'd rather be. With deep breaths, honey.
Parang,
else that I'd rather be with.
parang flower na nag-weather. Tapos alam niya na hanggang doon na lang sila. Ganda.
Parang acceptance stage na yung song na yun.
Yeah. And that ends the petals. Okay.
Thoughts?
Ako, was okay. Okay lang siya. Parang, I guess I have to listen to it a bit more. Pero, nasad ako, we didn't get anything juicy. Pero, ayun, siguro juicy na nga. Yung juicy talaga na about the sex life niya talaga na ang
Oo.
sarap-sarap ko. Si ate mo. Feeling niya na ang sarap-sarap
Sarap
niya.
na
Sikip-sikip siya. So, ayun. Parang, doon lang ako medyo na turn off. Pero, you can't really box artists eh. Parang, they're really evolving.
Yeah.
Parang, parang kung paano lang din tayo, hindi, the time na nirelease niya Eternal Sunshine is not the same as the one that I am right now. So, it's only believable, parang, and it's right for her to really struck that feel authentically hers. Pero, ayun, siguro sobrang tagal ko ng fan ni Ariana na, alam mo yun, I'd come to know that I will love this album with a few more lessons because she really does magnificent production. Ang ganda ng mga backing vocals, gano'n, at nakakamiss yung boses ni Ariana. And it feels like home. She feels like my favorite artist talaga. Ikaw?
Ako, I feel like this album, it's kumbaga sa discography niya parang filler album because lyric-wise, production-wise, I've heard better songs on albums like Eternal Sunshine. And if talagang horny lyrics, mas witty and hornier sa positions. Gets mo? Parang this is an album that we've heard from her. Parang an idea, a concept na we've heard from her before and she's done a lot better in the past. Sabi. Pero ayun nga, parang siguro first listen kasi may ganong power talaga si Ariana sa songs niya. At least for me, na parang on first listen hindi ko siya bet pero after a few listens, nahuhook ako kasi there's a lot to look forward to sa mga songs niya kasi ang ganda ng production. Parang kada re-listen mo may maririnig kang bago, ganyan. Kaya ayun, props to her for creating this soundscape na talagang ang lush, ang creative. I can't say unique kasi parang siyang Eternal Sunshine for me, part 2, parang ganun yung atake. Pero ang unique nung production nonetheless. Ba yun? Ganda. Maganda siya pero feeling ko I need a few more listens pa.
Yeah. Same thoughts. It's not parang it doesn't stray away from much from what we know from her. Parang hindi siya yung 180 record na
Ibang iba.
na ibang-iba na hindi natin magugustuhan. Parang it's expected of Ariana.
So rating? Kunwari Pitchfork, anong rating mo out of 10?
Ako, ang rating ko ay out of 5 na lang. Out of 10 ba? Sige. Ako 7 out of 10. Kasi, ayun, she tried din naman. She tried to be experimental. She tried to make it cohesive. But, some songs still lack substance. Parang pwede pang papalitan yun. Parang, let's go back to the drawing board, Ariana. Let's release songs na, alam mo yun, hold up to your
Standard.
previous discography. Oh. Pero, ayun, I still love it, nonetheless. 7 over 10. Ikaw?
Ako 6.5.
Ah,
Kasi wala akong narinig na parang excited akong pakinggan ulit eh. Just based on this first listen, aside from Hate That I Made You Love Me, which I think is the perfect song talaga. Kasi parang yun talaga yung song na stand out dito. Nung napakinggan ko yung buo, ay kaya pala lead single kasi ito yung pinaka-catchy. Yun lang. 6.5. Not bad, pero
Yeah.
looking forward to her next album.
not bad, but not
Good.
But anyways, okay.
So that was our thoughts sa Petal album ni Ariana released today.
Oo, today lang. I'm so happy we finally got AG8. I think pagre-retire na siya talaga.
Wag naman.
Retire
Mga
na talaga
10.
siya.
AG
Mga
10.
AG10. Labanan niya si Taylor Swift. But anyways, Ariana, I hope you come to the Philippines para
Yes.
marinig namin itong mga tracks na to. Pag pumunta ka dito, papalitan namin yung rating namin ng 10.
Oo nga. So, Ariana, if you're watching,
Oh, I need to see you live at least once. We need to see you live. At sana ma-interview ka namin.
manifest
Yes.
naman.
Baka si Ariana, Ariana Debose. Iba pala
Debose.
Ariana Debose. Anyways,
Guys, what did you guys think of this video? Nag-enjoy din ba kayo? What were your thoughts sa album ni Ariana? Did you like it? If so, tell us in the comment section down below.
and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, at huwag kalimutan. Hate that I made you love me.
Yeah,
I mean, true to its nature, parang we love tearing artists. We love tearing people who we love. Parang, ang bilis ng cancel culture, parang lahat. And we hold everybody to such high standard,
Yes.
lahat ng may platform, sa lahat, everybody. So, let's stop tearing people na, alam mo yun, parang, let's be not quick to judge.
Sabi,
Ikaw, what do you think
saan?
sa Huwag Kalimutan?
Ako, wag nyo kalimutan na this is Ariana's album, first and foremost. If you don't like it, maybe it's not for you. And if you
Tama.
like it, maybe it's for you. If not, then just, shut up. Shut up. Wag mo pakinggan, yun lang. Wag na yung parang ipopost mo pa na, ay, this is the worst album in the world.
Tama.
Sabi nung nagpo-post tayo ng,
Sabi lang, tinanggalan na freedom of speech yung iba. Anyways, whether you like it or not, mag-subscribe na lang kayo sa amin.
Yeah.
Bye!
last pala, I'm just glad na she's staying authentic to herself. Kasi I'm sure naisip niya rin na, ay, baka dito magustuhan ng fans ko. But she still released music na she feels like it's authentic to her. So, props to Ariana.
Clap, clap, clap.